Welcome to Flick and Click. So, from today, we'll be seeing about computer vision and pattern recognition topics. So, in that, we'll be dealing with image processing and pattern recognition syllabus. So, first, today, we'll say about image processing, what is image processing, and fundamental steps in digital image processing. So, what is image processing? Image processing is a method of performing operations on digital images so to enhance them or extract useful information. Like meaningful information will be extracting by processing an image. For this, we'll be having some algorithms and techniques. So we'll see those in furthermore videos. So we'll be going with starting our topic with fundamental steps in digital image processing. This is the diagram of fundamental steps in digital image processing. So it includes a sequence of steps that are up to be applied on an image such that we'll get meaningful information and the quality of the image is improved. Next, first step, coming to the first step, it is image acquisition. So what is image acquisition? Acquiring an image from a hardware based image source. It uses sensors such as CCD and CMOS cameras. From the cameras, we will be extracting the image. What we want that image. What the image we wanted, we'll be extracting the image. We'll be getting the image from the camera, and it may not be quality. And so it's raw, so it's an unprocessed image. It's it is of poor quality. So it includes sampling and quantization of that image. So what is sampling and quantization we'll be seeing in the furthermore videos. So this is what about image acquisition. It involves sensing and digitizing the image. And next step is image enhancement. What is image enhancement? Image enhancement is improving the quality of image before doing further analysis. Like it includes brightness enhancement, contrast enhancement, resizing, cropping. So such operations will be performed in image enhancement step. It is of subjective in nature. Generally, what it does is it improves the visual appearance. For examples, histogram equalization and contrast stretching. So, what are these also we'll be seeing in the furthermore steps. So, just write an example in the exams as contrast stretching or histogram equalization. Next step is image restoration. Image restoration is objective in nature. Image enhancement is subjective in nature. So, image restoration. Image restoration is reconstructing the original image by removing the added noise and removing degradation that is there in the image, that is present in the image. So it is based on statistical and mathematical models. Okay, so this is what image restoration is, and next step is color image processing. What is color image processing? Dealing with the image that contains color information. Okay, like images like RGB, HSV, these images we'll be dealing with. It includes color enhancement and transformation. Like we'll be improving the color, or we'll be transforming the colors like RGB to HSV, HSV to RGB, and these operations we'll be doing in color image processing. Next, wavelets and multi-resolution processing. We'll be representing the image in multiple resolutions. This is what wavelets and multiple resolution processing. This step is mandatory and very important for compression. Compression step. Next step is compression. So for that, it is very mandatory to do this wavelets and multi-resolution processing. Small signals uses small waves of limited duration to change the resolution of an image. Like applying a wave on an image is called wavelength transformation. What is resolution here? Number of pixels used to represent an inch of an image is known as resolution. This is what wavelengths and multi-resolution processing. Next is compression. What is compression? Compressing an image, like reducing the size requirement of an image. 8 bits 8-bit single pixels is there for an image. We'll be reducing that. So this is what image compression. So, what benefit is being here in this step is reducing the storage and transmission cost. This is the benefit. Like storage requirement is reduced, transmission cost it is also reduced. So for that, for compressing an image, what techniques will be using? Lossless and lossy compression techniques will be using. Right? Next is morphological processing. Morphology means dealing with the shape of an images. To extract image components that deal with representation and description of the shapes present in the image. This is morphological processing. It is used for boundary extraction, thinning, thickening. For this all, morphological processing is useful. Next, image segmentation. Image segmentation means dividing image into meaningful regions, segmenting an image, dividing image into multiple boxes, multiple segments. Next is representation and description. Representation and description means extracting features like shape, texture, size, and these all will be represented and described also. Next step is object recognition. Object recognition is assigning labels to objects based on descriptors. So from 1 to 7th step, we'll be getting output as an image. And from 7th to 10th step, we'll be getting an output as image attributes. So till here, we'll be getting an image. And from here, we'll be getting as image attributes. Okay. So all we discussed, and what is this knowledge base? Knowledge base is containing the knowledge information like domain knowledge will be in knowledge base. So this is mandatory for all the steps to be processed. Okay, this is what fundamental steps in digital image processing concept is. And in next video we'll discuss about components of an image processing system. So for further more information and updates, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.